can, but I'm just lonely. Ever since this quarantine business, me can't even get to see babes. I have to catch up on yard with your wife. Just lonely. And then me should have called him. No business, yeah. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. Honey, thank you for the gift. It's nice. Honey, your phone. Who is this? I can't answer. Hello? 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 That's not all. What the fuck, yeah.